This is the Nono bath chair. It's easily adjusted with no tools, so it can achieve a really nice position in the bath. It's quite simple but unique. You can get quite low in a nice lying position, or you can adjust it to sit upright. It sits low in the bath, so you can get nice and low with good water coverage very easily. It's got adjustable straps at the back here, so that you can get a really good, nice position in the back there, and it's also got a pelvic belt for extra stability and support. It's really lightweight and waterproof, so it's easy to take with you. We've seen this used in lots of different scenarios: in the sandpit at kindy, sitting on the mat when a child needs a little bit of extra seating support, and also at the beach. So it's a really versatile piece of equipment.